Okay, so as of time of recording, a week ago, YouTube announced their new feature, Clips. So let's talk about that. Okay, so what are YouTube Clips? They're basically a new way of sharing out videos where you have a lot more control of what the person you're sharing it to sees. Okay, so if I was sharing this video to you, as you may know, I could hit the share button and I could select a start time and then copy the link and send it to you, and that start time will be embedded. But that's pretty much all I can do. But what YouTube Clips means is that we can actually set a start and an end time, and say there was a funny moment, like a little blooper, then you could send that to your friend. So your clip needs to be between 5 seconds and a minute long, and you can choose where in the video this is. These also work on live streams. So let's take a quick look at actually making a YouTube clip. So if we go into the creator inside a video, so as you can see at the bottom of the video, there is this clip button. So let's click on that. Now this opens up a little section on the side where you can drag this out anywhere to be a minute long. And you can also move this. Okay, so let's say we've selected this section here. We've got our 5 seconds. Now we want to call this test clip. And let's share it. Now from here we can share it onto Facebook, Twitter, email, and all of these ones that you can share a normal video on. Or we can copy the link. Now if we go into a new tab and paste the link, as you can see, we're watching now this section of the video, and as we play this back, it will just loop it over and over until we click this X, watch full video, or anywhere else on the play bar. Now obviously, as I've just shown, you can do these on video, but you can also do these on live streams. So when watching someone live, you can click the clip button and it'll automatically grab the last 15 seconds. Then you can move this around, name it, and share it. So where can you find your clips? Now, if I wanted to find this clip that I've just made here, this test clip, I could click to open the sidebar. And I could then go to clips, and as you can see, I've got my test clip that I can either share it, report it, or delete it, or click on it to watch it. So what kind of restrictions are there on them? You can't use them on made for kids videos, live streams without DVR, meaning also someone can pause a live and when they hit play, it will continue from where they paused it. I'll have a link in the description to a support page of how you can turn this on your live streams. And it also can't be used on live streams over 8 hours long. And then finally, it can't be used on premieres while live. So what could clips mean for you? Well, clips could turn out to be a huge thing in YouTube. They give you the ability to share a small section of your video with someone. So say if in this video, I thought someone was only interested on the restrictions that I just talked about. So I could clip a minute of that and share that to them. And if they found value in that, then they might want to hit watch full video. As of right now, we're not sure what this does to the average view duration of your video, as YouTube Clips is still in alpha. So when will you be able to use YouTube Clips? Well, at the moment, as I said before, YouTube Clips is currently in alpha testing. So at the moment, they're available on a small amount of gaming channels and will slowly be expanded out. They'll also be available on all Creator Insider videos. So that's kind of it about YouTube Clips at the moment. We don't really know what else is going on with them. If you want to give these a test, then at the end of the Creator Insider video, which I'll link below, they have a test section of their bloopers, which you can create a clip and share out. So thank you for watching. If you found value in this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel. We've also got videos on video editing and making video graphics in Keynote and other YouTube related videos. Also make sure to join the Discord in the description where you can get some one-on-one help and feedback on your videos. So thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.